He's talking to me like I've met him before. It's like, oh, a long time no talk, and it's like, oh, okay. um,
Did you have a past life together, or do you talk to him sometimes?
Possibly.
Okay, cool.
My dad is a Buddhist, so I don't know if it's that too. Okay. In the world right now, there's a lot of hate, but there's also a lot of love. A lot of times people tend to focus more on the hate because it can be very strong and very powerful and very scary, and tend to overlook the love that blossoms out of that. So it's important to change your perspective that despite all this hate going on, keep your eyes towards all the blooming love that's occurring as a result. As long as you keep your focus towards there, more positive changes will happen a lot faster. There's already like a slight domino effect happening right now, and you just want to like throw that momentum towards all that love that's starting to surge more and more. There's always like a give and take. It's like yin I can't talk. Yin and yang. If the bad keeps growing, the good's gonna keep growing with it. You know what I'm saying? There's always gonna be bad and there's always gonna be good, but we want to really like up that good, especially right now. Some people don't know better. They legitimately have no idea. It's just the world they're living in. They're like, they're very closed-minded to things, and that's just how they were raised. They don't know better. So it's important to approach those situations with love, because love will always come out stronger.
Okay, great, great. Well, thank you so much, Buddha. That was awesome. And I guess that's our message for today. Thanks, everybody.